Hello YouTube and welcome to our fifth video in our HTML and CSS tutorial for beginners series. In our last video we covered how to make a line break, horizontal line break, and how to make just the general line break in the paragraph. And let's refresh this so we don't forget that, because it's very interesting. So here we have the line break, the horizontal line break, and here we just have the general line break. Okay, let's go back to our website, and for this video let's just delete all this. Okay, we're gonna just create a new paragraph in which we'll say the most interesting book. Okay, and let's make this finally, after so many videos being wrong, let's make this is an article. Okay, so now we have the header, which is our title which is in the header tags, which means that it's going to be bold and bigger, and then we have our paragraph. And let's say that we would want to do two things. We would want to either make something appear bold, which is, if you're watching these videos you already guessed it, yes, there's a tag. Yes, what you do is you basically enclose the word. Let's say you wanted to make a tag and it creates the double tag, something, I mean, misspellings all over the place, but and you created these two tags and it appears bold. Yes, you're correct, it's nothing, again, not a rocket science. It does appear bold. I would just need to, I didn't put the space in between, that's why it's still together. So let's see, this is, now we refresh it and we go back, and yes, we can see that this is, again, you'll have a lot of misspellings if you'll stick with me. That's I'm not gonna lie to you, not the best speller. So now we made this bold, and of course we can make this the same thing italic. Why I'm skipping through this so quickly, because you most likely not going to be using, there is going to be cases where you'll be using this, but since this is HTML and CSS, so most of this, like I said to you in the first video, all the decorations we're doing in CSS. So yes, it is italic. Yes, the word shows up in italic, but the case of you using that is not going to be often. So it is there, but you're not going to be using it a lot. However, there's something that's very interesting, that is if you want to describe something on your website, but you don't want it to be displayed on a page. You want probably maybe for somebody else that you're working with, or for yourself actually, let's say a week later, so you would remember what the hell is about. So you can do something like leaving a comment, and comments are very important. Comments actually are very good for explaining, again, for yourself or for somebody else, what the hell is happening here. And if we wanted to create a comment, this would be the syntax, and this would be how we would do it. So we would put a less than, we would put an exclamation sign, we would do this, and you can right away see that this whole thing is right away turning black. Well, we don't want to comment this out, because basically what would happen, nothing would show in our page. So what we need to do is we need to add the closing brackets like this, and then you can see only this thing turns more gray, meaning whatever I'm going to write here is not going to affect what's happening here. So in order to show you that it is working, this is Johnny, again, with many different Y's and whatever. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. But let's save this, and there it is. You can see that I still have an article, but there's no mention of Johnny 124. And this is going to be it for this video. In the next video, we're going to start creating lists. If we're going to get to it, we're going to start creating links. But all that is going to be in next videos. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. I'll see you in the next video.